Hello. Hi,
Hi, how
Emily.
are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anuj and I'm from India. It's so nice to see you here.
It's nice to meet you too. Do you live
How
in
far
India
is
currently?
Emily?
Sorry, what did you say?
I need a clarification first. Is
Okay.
my voice clear to you?
Yes.
That's so nice. Let's go.
Okay.
What
Um,
did you ask?
do you live in India right now?
Yes, I'm in India at
Okay.
this time.
Okay. Because
Yeah,
Cambly tells me that your
okay.
location is in the United States.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
I don't know how.
me neither, but it's okay. You're in India. We know.
Yes, I
Well,
hope you believe me.
I believe you. I believe you.
Okay, thank
Uh,
you so much, Emily.
so why are you on Cambly?
That's a very good question for me to answer. So I'm here because I'm a student of this language.
Hmm.
I'm not the teacher, I'm a student, and I just want to improve my English more and more every day. So when a person wants to improve any language of the world, he needs practice on regular basis, right?
Yes.
And that's why I decided to talk with a native speaker, and that's why I chose you to talk today.
Okay.
And on the other hand, I've got a YouTube channel and I make videos about English vocabulary and conversation.
Okay.
So, yes. So, this conversation is also going to be the part of my work on YouTube.
Okay. Are you putting me on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't agree to that, but that's okay.
Okay. Are you not satisfied with it? Should I not upload this video?
I don't like to be on the internet like that.
Okay. You mean on YouTube?
Yeah, or on the internet in general.
Okay. So you just prefer one-on-one classes?
Yes, I prefer for mm, the classes that I have to not be uploaded for other people to see.
Okay. Actually, I have a question for you as
Hmm.
well. That how to know that which tutor of this app allows this conversation to be uploaded on YouTube? How to know it? Should I ask every single teacher?
Yes.
This is only the way.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it is not part of our like Cambly policy that the students get to upload the videos to YouTube without saying anything.
Actually, this is just my second conversation here on this app. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just
That's why.
telling you. So if you
Yesterday,
want, hmm
can
yeah, yeah,
okay, okay. Actually, yesterday, my first conversation here, and this is the second one. So in the evening time, I was trying a lot how to know, but I didn't get any single sign so that I can understand that this tutor allows us the conversation to be uploaded. So I didn't get. So I thought when I'll talk to Emily, I'll ask her.
yes, you have to ask directly because if you just assume, there's no way to know. So my
Okay, okay. Now I
suggestion,
got it.
yeah, my suggestion would be to, before you book a reservation with the
Hmm.
tutor, I would just
Okay.
message them and say, "Hi, I'm a YouTuber. I would like to upload our lesson."
Conversation. Okay.
Yeah. Um, are you comfortable with that? And then if they're not comfortable, you can cancel the lesson and you can book with someone else. If they're comfortable, you continue.
You know one thing, actually, I understood. I thought that just chatting is also
Mm.
possible after reservation. I thought so. I didn't understand that we can also chat before our conversation, before the reservation, especially.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was
You
thinking
can
something like this.
mhm. You can message the tutors before the class. So that would I'm sure that would help you. And if you didn't know, then of course that would make things more difficult.
Yes, because the main purpose for me to upload this conversation on my channel so that my viewers can watch this video.
Mhm.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
there's no other way to show this conversation to them. Just this is the way.
Yes, of course. But I
Right.
think that you need to have permission from the other person as well.
I want to thank you that you allowed me to upload this video.
Okay.
I will just watch myself in person.
Okay. Well, you can
Yes.
I mean, you can just upload the next lesson that you have with a tutor
Hmm.
after you message them and you ask them if it's okay.
The same thing happened with me yesterday, which was my first conversation. That teacher too didn't allow,
Mhm.
but I appreciate actually the privacy. I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yes,
I think you
but
just
hope
have
you can
to
understand me.
mhm. You just have to think because if you think about your face, your voice, your words being used somewhere on YouTube, you have no idea where it is, and people you don't know are going to talk about you. That's not really comfortable and it doesn't feel very good unless you are like, yeah, like I'd love to be on YouTube, like whatever. So it's very important to ask people before just
Right?
because that's someone
Ab-
else's face being put out there. You know, mm, it's not very ethical to record someone without them knowing and then put it on social media.
exactly. How much time do we left now?
6 minutes.
Okay, and yeah, you're absolutely right. Everyone is not similar, the same. So yes, someone wants to be on the internet,
Hmm.
there might not be. Okay, something more that I want to ask you that I heard your introduction
Okay.
and you said that you're especially from south of
Hmm.
USA, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me some differences that what do you think which differences what differentiate the south from the north of your country?
So I think that
Major difference, I mean, major difference that